A great way to draw attention to a special announcement on your website is by adding a banner to the top, like the one you see here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate your own banner and embed that onto your website. And it's really easy to do with the tool that you have access to below this video. And it's the banner generator. With this tool, you can generate the banner that you need and just embed that simply to your website. And up here you can see a preview of the actual banner, what it will look like on your website. So right now it has a brown background, it has white text, and it has this text that you can see in this field. Now, it's really easy to update and change things around here. So if I want to update this text, I can just delete that and write whatever I want. So you can just update that with the information you want. Now, if you want to use this just for an announcement, so without the button, as you can see here right now, it's just text, I would recommend that you bring down the banner height a bit. So maybe you want to bring this down to 40 pixels, something like that. That will give it a more slimmed down design on your website, which looks great. Now, if you want to add a button as well, I would recommend that you probably want to bring this up to at least 60 pixels, something like this. Now, in order to add the actual button, you click here to include a button in the banner. Just click there, and then you have the button. You can change the text on the button and do some other changes with colors and background. And more importantly, you can add the link to the button as well. So this is where you add your link, and that will probably be to a landing page, a sales page, or registration page of some kind. Now, no matter what link you are putting in here, you just need to make sure that it has the beginning as follows: https://. You need the link to be complete like this. Without this, the link will not work properly. So just make sure that you paste the link here. Then it will be fine. Another thing I want to point out, if you have your own brand colors, you can click and change the colors here. So for instance, if you want another background here, you can either drag this to change it around this way, like this, or you can click here. If you click a couple of times, you get the hex value. And if you have the hex value for your color, your brand color, you can simply paste that into this box, and that will update this information. So that's a way to do it. And you can obviously go into this and match, so you have a nice look and feel between the background and the text inside the button there as well, if you want to. So once you're done with the settings, next up is to paste this into your own website. And if we scroll down here, this is actually the button you need to press in order to copy the code. And the code is generated here below in this box. So this auto updates based on the settings and the changes you make up here. So you don't need to write the code yourself. The tool does that for you. But what you need to do once you're satisfied with the way it looks up here is actually copy that code by clicking this button. So now it's copied to the clipboard in the web browser. Once that's done, all you need to do is go back over to your website and edit the page where you want to add this banner. And I'm using Zenler in this example. So Zenler is an all-in-one platform where you can add a lot of pages for your homepage, but you can also have your courses, memberships, your live workshops, and your communities all in one platform. So I'm just going to go into the home page here and click edit and edit the home page. And if you're using another system, you just need to look for the section where you can add code into the header. So that's what I'm going to do here on the home page. So I'm going to click the arrow menu up here on the right, and then go into tracking code. And then here where it says embed into head section, this is where I'm going to paste that code. Click add, and after that I need to save this, and once that's done we can click and preview. So I'm going to preview this in a new window, And here's my banner. Get your ticket to the workshop. And if I click this, now it just links over to missionblazer.com, but you can see that the link is working. So that's how it's done. Now you know how you can generate your own banner and also embed that into your website. So try out the tool below. And if you haven't already, make sure to sign up for the Course Creator Toolkit if you want more tips and strategies and tools for starting and growing your Course Creator Tool online business as well. So you got the link for that below here as well. That's all I had. Try out the tool, and I'll see you in another video.